In this video, we are demonstrating the use of IndoTraq's HSKT position tracking system with our custom drone. This is a GPS denied location, and hence all the position tracking information is coming from the IndoTraq system. Position estimates are being sent directly from the tag serial port to the Pixhawk's Telem port via MAVLink. This drone is in offboard mode, flying autonomously from point to point. This is a very small tracking area, but the system can handle up to 100 meter by 100 meter. Notice that no one is flying this drone.